Okay, a 06 G35. It's got a rebuilt title. I bought it from IAA. I did not buy it rebuilt. I bought it with the salvage title, had it inspected, and then have a rebuilt title issued to my name. I'll show you what I had to replace here in a sec. Stock motor, K&N Intake. I believe it's off a 350Z. Accident damage was in the right rear. I'll show you what that is, but just so you can see the front. It's pretty straightforward, stock. It's got Godspeed coilovers. They came with the car. They're okay. They probably ride a little firm. There's a little bit of a clunk on this side. I think it's the only thing left it could be is coilover itself, because I replaced control arms, tie rod, ball joint, wheel bearings in the front, and there's still a little bit there. So I don't know if there's an issue with the coilover itself, but runs and rides just fine. It's just a specific, turn the wheel and they hit a bump at a very specific point, and you can hear a little thump or a little clunk. I do have rear lower control arms already bought. I have new sway bar end links already bought. I just didn't put them on, hadn't had time. I believe it was previously a city car, Chicago. It's been here, I think, its whole life based on the Carfax. You can see it's got your average, Chicago scuffs, scratches, dings, dents, bumps from city car. Nothing major, the grill's not cracked, no busted headlights, but you can tell it was repainted at some point, the bumpers at least. I'll show you in a sec like the clear coat's peeling in some areas. Yeah, you can see it's been repainted or touched up there. Tires, since I'm here, all 4 rims. They do got some curb rash, as you can see from being a city car, but tires have almost new tread. They're from 2021. All 4. So you can see it's this side. These doors are seemed or appear to be original. At this point here, it's kind of where you can see it's been touched up, painted a few times, right? It's got bumper cracks. The trunk doesn't seem to have anything, but you can see like the clear coat's peeling up in that section. A little mismatch here. Garage respray job kind of deals. This quarter's good. You can see here it's starting to come up, and then the handle. And where was it? Here. So done this trim. You can see it's starting to peel up. So I'm sorry it's dirty. It's been sitting outside for a while. And then this clear coat in the door here. And down here in this pillar. So like I said, the Carfax really just showed the accident that totaled the car out. Oh yeah, by the way. So what damaged it was, I've got auction pictures I can provide and show too, but from what I can tell, it looks like they slid and hit a curb and bent the wheel down and in. So I've got pictures of it, but I'll see if I can get the phone down there. Here it is. So the rear lower arm was bent, and this tow rod was bent too. So I went to Nissan, spent $150 on these arms, and then I got a SPC adjustable lower control arms because it's lowered pretty good. You'll see it's lowered pretty good. Doesn't rub in anything, but it's got SPC arms to adjust camber. It does have the tow bolts as well to adjust the toe. I believe it's 26.5 inches from the ground to the bottom of the wheel well here. It's a stock alignment all around. Dropped in the front, same as in the back. I do have, you're not gonna be able to see it, but there is, maybe, Kinetix adjustable upper arms that I put on it because I wanted to make sure I'm not eating up tires. I just use it to drive the kids, drive my wife around. It's, bone stock interior. I had a previously I had a GoPro mount up there. Let's see here. Good shape overall. Like I said, it's just a daily driver. kid seats. I'm gonna leave them in for now because I'm probably gonna end up using it a couple more times here and there if I need to, but I'll pull them out before the car sells. I'm trying to think. TPMS. Let me get the keys. Close the door. It doesn't have any codes. I do got a scanner. Welcome to take a look at it. I also have a lift. I'm going to include a video of the underside of it while I have it up on the lift. If you want to check it out, more than happy, you can put it back up on my lift, put it up in the air. You can take a look underneath it if you'd like. The only issue that I've had is that TPMS light is on. My scanner does detect that there are sensors installed in the wheels, but for whatever reason, it's not picking it up. There's the mileage. The cluster's kind of scuffed up, not sure why, but it's scuffed up. That brake light on just because the e-brake. But this clock, it does light up, but it doesn't work. It's always displayed at that time. Radio works. Bone stock, everything works. Bluetooth works, sunroof works. Like I said, it's just my daily. I got it because I wanted a 6-speed, something stick, fun to drive the kids around and stuff. Really, the only reason why I'm selling it is got a Q50. Also gonna be a rebuild title. It's hit in the front. Hit a mailbox. Bam. So yeah, this. If I didn't have this, if I didn't win this auction, I'd be keeping the G. But you know, I don't need Q50. I don't need a Suburban. I don't need the G35. Plus the Kia, plus the Z, plus another Z in storage, and then the Miata back there. So I got plenty of cars. This one's probably going to get used the absolute least. So, like a lot of people say, off it goes. In your trunk. I pulled the carpets back. Welcome to pull them back to see if there was any like repair, any burn marks from, you know, a puller from the other side. I didn't see any. Film stock. Tires in there. So, solid. I mean, they forklifted onto the trailer, my car trailer, and then I got home, drove right off, fixed the arms, got it inspected, and I was on the road. So yeah, it's a solid car.